I have a tax-free account with $5,600 balance and I want to use for options trading. With such a small amount of money, how would you approach growing this cash over the next 5 years to achieve $500,000 in value? What assets would you buy and what option strategy would you implement? And the account is a Schwab account and I will paper trade first. Good. Always paper trade first. And build a system of rules. Good. You need rules in a process. And subscribe to your tool suite to achieve these goals. Thank you for all you do. Such a pleasure. And I love this question. And I made my start doing covered calls in the 90s. And then I got a lot more sophisticated. So you're starting in the right place. You're saying all the right stuff. Paper trading first. Find your rhythm. But let me show you a little shortcut. I analyzed probably 100 of my top names. I've got this big master list of kind of disruption that is very little downside, but upside. And I came across SOFI as being, if somebody held a gun to my head and I had to do cover calls on one stock right now with $5,600 and I had to make it, it would be this stock right here. SOFI, let's break it down. Let's look at the chart. Again, you can see here the trend is right 96% of the time. The confluence model is right 100% of the time. We're on the 12-hour time frame. And the ATR backtest is right 89% of the time. You can pick any of these tools and you can make it work for you. It's real simple. You wait for a little green flag. Make sure the trend is going in the direction you want, i.e. you want for it to turn. Okay, that's when you buy. So right now with the price of SOFI at like $7 and change, just like less than $8, with your money, you'll be able to buy 600 shares, which means you can do 6 calls. But there's a twist. If you use margin, you can do 1,200 shares. Okay, you borrow half, etc., and you can double your bag. Therefore, you can do 12 contracts. On 600 shares, if you sell the November calls for about $1, you can make 12.5% every 4 to 6 weeks. And if you use margin, you can make 25% every 4 to 6 weeks. The key is be very consistent. Even if you're only making 10% every 6 weeks, that's good enough because compounding will take care of the rest. All right. Have a process. You buy on the green triangles, wait for the trend to turn. Then on a spike, you see the red sell signal. That's when you sell the covered call. Ta-da! And then you sit and wait. If you get called out, that's fine. Then you just get to jump back in. But there you go. There's your process. There's an example of an asset. Now, when I first got started too, there's something very important because I also had no money. Nothing. All right. Nothing. So I probably had 10,000. And I made a point of focusing on stocks that had about a $10 price or sub $10 price that were also volatile and also followed a range. Look for the range riders. Look for things around $10 or less, maybe a little bit more, and the volatility. And that's it. It's stealing candy from a baby. Hope that helps.